Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am P. Hafizullah, Master Government High School, Jagarpura. Today I am going to deliver the third chapter of Civics for 10th class. The name of the chapter is Democracy and Diversity. Today this is the introductory lesson for the 10th class students. My dear students, the name of the chapter is Democracy and Diversity. Before we will learn its subtopics, first of all, let's know what is democracy and what is diversity. तो प्यारे बच्चों, डेमोक्रेसी आप रोज़ सुनते हो, डाइवर्सिटी आप रोज़ सुनते हो। टेलीविज़न जब हम ऑन करते हैं तो वहाँ हम रोज़ सुनते हैं, बहस मुबाहसा सुनते हैं डेमोक्रेसी पर, डाइवर्सिटी पर। सेमिनार्स हुआ करते हैं तो ये दो अल्फाज डेमोक्रेसी और डाइवर्सिटी ये बार बार ज़ुबान पर आते हैं। तो बच्चों, पहले हम मीनिंग देखते हैं, डेमोक्रेसी को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं और डाइवर्सिटी को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं। तो डेमोक्रेसी को उर्दू में जमहूरियत कहते हैं, जमहूरियत। इस तरह से डाइवर्सिटी को उर्दू में तनावु, जुदागानगी, जुदागानगी, आदमी यकसानियत, ये उसके उर्दू माने हैं। तो जमहूरियत और तनावु, जुदागानगी और आदमी यकसानियत, इनका आपस में क्या ताल्लुक़ है। तो पहले हम देखते हैं जमहूरियत किसे कहते हैं। जमहूरियत, डेमोक्रेसी। आम तौर पर हम आपको अगर कहेंगे बेटा व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डेमोक्रेसी, तो सभी ये एकदम बोलते हैं डेमोक्रेसी इज़ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल एंड फॉर द पीपल। या हमने ये हमें ज़बानी याद है, डेमोक्रेसी इज़ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल एंड फॉर द पीपल। लेकिन वी हैव टू सी द रूट्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स, what the meaning of democracy is. What is the people, what is this is the people, for the people, what is this for the people, and by the people. Democracy is the people, by the people and for the people. What are the meanings of these? Let's go deeply to understand these words, and similarly diversity. So when we say democracy is the people, by the people and for the people, it means कि ये जमहूरियत जो है ये लोग हैं, इस तरह से लोगों के लिए है, लोग ही बनाते हैं, लोग ही बिगाड़ते हैं। सो इसका डायरेक्ट ताल्लुक़ जो है, सीधा साधा ताल्लुक़ जो है वो लोगों के साथ है। इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट वी सी द पीपल चूज देयर लीडर, एंड व्हेन ही वर्क over the expectations of the people, he always remains successful and people give him place in their heart. There we say that it is a flourished democracy, flourished democracy. But when the same leader who has been chosen by the people by casting their precious votes, when he plays the sentiments, when he loses his identity by remaining aside, by remaining far away from his public, from his subjects, he loses his this identity, he loses his strength, people throw him out. It is the power of people. So इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी इज द पीपल। तो जमहूरियत में जनरली अगर हम इन ब्रॉड में देखेंगे, we can say a person who utilizes the basic fundamental rights and the fundamental duties in a society. When such a system prevails in an area, in a state, in a country, when easily these fundamental rights and fundamental duties are utilized or ventured by people, we say that this is a real democracy. You know, we have the basic fundamental rights: right to freedom of speech, right of religion, right against exploitation, right of constitutional remedies, these educational and cultural rights. We have these rights, and we have our fundamental duties to safeguard our state's property, to respect the others, to respect our religions, to respect others' religions. We have some basic duties as well. We have some basic rights as well. When all these duties and rights are utilized by the people, we say the system is a democratic system. Similarly, there is diversity. What is diversity? Diversity is a range of different things. It means understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual differences. We see we are living in a secular state where there are various religions. Simply see to our this surroundings. We have in Kashmir, we have Muslims, we have Hindus, we have Sikhs, we have Buddhists, we have Christians as well. So different religions live together when they safeguard each other's identity, interests, sentiments, religious ceremonies. We say there is a diversity. So diversity of cultures, diversity of religious activities. When there are, we have differences, but we act in such a way that nobody's sentiments are hated and everybody's sentiments are respected. When such a system prevails, this is known as diversity. These can be along the dimensions of race, ethnicity, gender, socio-economic status, physical abilities, religious beliefs, political beliefs, or other ideologies. When democracy and diversity go side by side in a culture, in a state, in a meaningful manner, in a proper way, in such a way that nobody is hurt and everybody live with dedication, with full wisdom, with full freedom, we can say there is a democracy and diversity in a particular state, in a particular country. So, dear students, you understood the meanings of democracy, the meanings of diversity, and the introduction of both these terms. Let's go ahead tomorrow, inshallah, and go with different topics of democracy and diversity. This was all about today's topic. Thank you very much.